Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can, or rather we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do it, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So let's find the settings icon, tap on it, and settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see your Forerunner 255S music on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. If you don't see this option, close the settings for now and open the Garmin Connect application on your iPhone. In the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on more, find the Garmin devices, tap on your watch on the Garmin Forerunner 255S, and on the device page, find the notifications and alerts. Tap on smart notifications, turn off the notifications, for example, for during activity, turn them back on, then go back and sync your watch with your phone. And once you sync them, wait. After a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up about the permission for the notifications. Once you see the pop-up, tap on it, or allow the permission for the notifications. And once you allow all the permissions that popped out, go back to settings, tap on Bluetooth, tap on the info icon next to Forerunner 255, and you should see this option now. Make sure it's enabled. Then go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Garmin Connect application, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, now open the Garmin Connect application again. In the app, tap on more, Garmin devices, Forerunner 255S music, select it, then tap on notifications and alerts. Let me go back, notifications and alerts, and then tap smart notifications. And here we can turn on and off notifications and also customize it a little. We can tap on during activity. This is basically when you're recording activity on your watch, and you can turn off or on the notifications during that time. You can also tap on specific type of notification and basically disable them, enable them, or disable and enable the tone or vibration, so sound or vibration. So you can customize this to your liking. And once you're done, go back, tap on general use, and here we can do the same, but we have two more options, privacy and timeout. So adjust this to your liking, calls, texts, oh my bad, apps, okay. And the privacy option allows you to select press start or gesture. And basically, if you select press start, you will need to press the start button to display the content of the notification, and gesture, you will need to perform the wrist gesture to display the content. And next we have timeout. This is basically allows you to select how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. And you have long, medium, or short. Okay, and once you're done customizing the options for your notifications, go back to the device page, sync the watch with your phone, and once it's done syncing, you should be able to receive the notifications on it. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we had some error for some reason. Let's see, what is this? Let me actually try from the watch. So I'm gonna try syncing it from the watch by selecting the sync. Okay, sync complete. So it should be working. Now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.